guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see with the title, today's video will be how I got this color. And I literally did this in like 2.2 seconds. This was the easiest coloring I've ever experienced doing. Like, I hate dyeing hair, but this is literally the easiest thing that I've ever done. And because I know a lot of people spend money to get their hair dyed. No one's paying how much per bundle or how much extra just to get their hair dyed. So watch this video, see how quick I dyed my hair, and then you'll never pay extra money to dye your hair ever again. Thank me. That's all I'm gonna say to you guys. Thank me. Comment below and thank me, because this is the easiest way to dye your hair. So if you want to learn and you want to save some money, keep watching. And if you guys don't see me at the end of this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, this color is beautiful. Well, it's not as beautiful as I wanted it to be, but like, you know, it's there. And if you see how I dyed it, like, you will be like, damn, girl. But yeah, like, this was the easiest dye job I've ever done. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Hey guys, so the first thing you're going to need is gloves. You don't have to put them if you don't want to. I just chose to be extra today. Second thing you're going to need is 3 bottles of Adore Lavender dye. And the third thing you're going to need is Got To Be Glue Freeze Blast Spray. So the first thing we're going to do is take our wig, of course, and we're going to spray the lace with the Got To Be Glue Freeze Blast Spray. And this is going to prevent the lace from getting stained. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take our bucket of hot water. So next we're gonna put the dye into the hot water, and we are going to mix it all around until all these little clumps of stuff that are at the bottom are all dissolved. So next we're gonna just dip the wig into the water. That's literally all you have to do. Put the wig or your bundles, your frontals, whatever you're dyeing, you just dip it in the water. Like, I told you guys, this is going to be the easiest way to dye your hair. All you have to do is dip it in the water and let it sit, let it get all over the bundles, and you are done. So as you guys can see, the hair soaked up most of the dye, so I'm putting more dye into the water, and then I'm going to put the wig back into the water and let it soak up the dye once again. I did this a couple times because I used all 3 bottles. You don't have to, you just do it until the desired color you want your wig to be. So today's sponsors, I forgot to mention at the beginning, today's sponsors is Beauty Mark Bundles. That is a Toronto-based company who sent me this beautiful 613 hair. They sent me 3 bundles and 1 frontal. They sent me 2 12-inch and 1 14-inch, and then I think a 12-inch frontal. I'm not sure, but it's around those lengths, 12 and 14. The hair was so beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, I'm not even saying this because I'm sponsored. I'm saying this because the first 613 hair that I ever received was so horrible that when I toned it and did whatever not I did with it, it was bald, like completely bald. So to have some 613 hair that is literally like amazing, didn't do anything after I dyed it 10 million times, and I did dye this hair 10 million times because I was so lazy that I didn't get all the strands that I was supposed to. But yes, this is the end result, and I love the hair. Thank you, Beauty Mark Bundles, for sending me this beautiful hair.